Well, welcome back to the channel. Today's little video, we're just going to be talking about the Makita chip receivers, as they call them, or catcher plates as they're commonly known, for hedge trimmers. They're very handy when you're doing tops of hedges. You can trim, and obviously the debris will go into here and you can just chuck it off the hedge, very clean. Now these ones fit multiple hedge trimmers from Makita. There's a smaller one, 500, 600. And they fit the long reach ones as well, long reach pole trimmers. Easy on and off, two little clips. Now they do work with these types of hedge trimmers as well, but you do need to take the safety guards off. It comes with a little thigh guard on there, and another little plastic bit on the end, and they'll only fit if you take those off. These need a bit of work, I think. They're not quite right. So what I've been noticing is when I'm trimming the tops of hedges, this is getting caught, and the reason being is if you see this long bar here, it's getting in the way. I'll try my best to show this, but if you see there, that middle black plastic, that middle strip is higher than the actual blades. So yeah, when you're cutting, normally with a catcher plate, you'll be cutting with one side only, so you'll be cutting with this side. So yeah, when you cut through it, this stuff gets caught. This little strip here gets caught on all the bits you've cut as you're sweeping along the hedge. So it's not really a smooth cut. Ideally, catcher plates want to be nowhere near these teeth, so it's a lot smoother. This is still way too high. This here, you want this to be, you know, way out of the way of these teeth, if that makes sense. So this design is not very good in my opinion. It really needs to be, you know, from sort of this low point here. You don't want any of this sticking up because it's just going to hinder you in the hedge. So yeah, we can't do a lot to these, but what I am going to do is I'm going to trim off this black ridge here. I've had a quick look at it and I don't think it's going to impact anything. Might be a bit dodgy on this section, but again, I think that should be right. So I'm just going to trim this off, and hopefully that should allow a little bit more clearance. So what I'm going to use a little multi-tool and just run this all the way down. Not going to be perfect, but just trying to be careful on this section here. And there we go. Not very pretty at all. But as you see, it's a bit more, should be a bit more forgiving now. It's still probably going to be, you know, this is going to get in the way a little bit, but it's not going to catch as badly. So there we go, look. It's a little bit better. So Makita, if you do happen to watch this, highly unlikely, but if you see it, please design your catcher plates so that they are higher than the teeth from the underside, if you know what I mean. So there's clearance. You don't want this stuff catching on the branches you've cut, because it's not smooth at all. Don't get me wrong, these have been really nice, but on certain hedges you notice it a lot more than others. So yeah, that'd be my only thing. Catcher plate should come off the top and then be completely clear. You don't want this. I don't know whether it's for safety as well, to try and protect this side of the blade, I don't know, but yeah, not what I'd like to see in my opinion. So that should make these ones a little bit better anyway. So I'll do it to that one as well. Probably just give it a quick sand as well, just to make it a little bit neater. Not that it really matters. So yeah, just a little quick one there for the guys who are running these chip receivers, catcher plates for your hedge trimmers. Let me know if you've noticed it as well. But that's my little fix anyway. That's all you can really do with these until they redesign them. If they do, they probably won't bother, but I'd definitely be wanting them to redesign them. So I'll just quickly show you this steel one. This is a single-sided one, obviously. See, you got a big gap there, see? Obviously, when you factor in where it actually cuts, it's probably going to be pretty much bang on. So that's what you want. If anything, you want even more clearance. So the more clearance you got, the easier it is to glide. See, I'm even thinking about designing my own universal hedge trimmer catcher plate that you can chop and change and put on multiple hedge trimmers. Let me know if you think that's a good idea or not. Yes, I hope that was helpful. Leave me a like, that'd be much appreciated. And yeah, any questions, let me know. Cheers for watching.